Futuristic electric Seagliders to replace transport between Hawaiian Islands. The Hawaiian Islands are an archipelago of 8 major islands, 7 atolls, and numerous smaller islands in the North Pacific Ocean, extending some 1,500 miles or 2,400 kilometers from the island of Hawaii in the south to the northernmost Kure Atoll. Formerly, the group was known to Europeans and Americans as the Sandwich Islands, a name that James Cook chose in honor of the 4th Earl of Sandwich, the then First Lord of the Admiralty. The contemporary name of the islands, dating from the 1840s, is derived from the name of the largest island, Hawaii Island. Yes, these islands have become a real tourist attraction, and as you know, to go from any part of the world, you will have to travel by plane. But what about the transportation between the Hawaiian Islands? The future of travel between those islands could be moving from tens of thousands of feet in the air to just a few feet up. Boston-based electric Seaglider maker Regent announced that Hawaiian Airlines made a major investment in the company in support of the development of a Seaglider that would transport up to 100 passengers from dock to dock, traveling just above the water's surface. The Seagliders produce zero emissions and travel just over the water's surface, rather than thousands of feet in the air like traditional planes. The planes fly at the speed of an aircraft, but with the operating cost of a boat, according to Recent. Currently, the company's Seagliders, called the Monarch, can travel up to 180 miles using next-gen batteries to get a range of up to 500 miles. Oh man, just imagine going from Kona Harbor on the Big Island to downtown Honolulu on Oahu in less than 55 minutes door-to-door. Pretty amazing, right? We will continue the video in a few seconds. Until then, try to do 2 clicks. 1 click on the subscribe button and the second click on the bell. Thank you. Now, let's continue to talk about this futuristic, amazing thing. Regent Seagliders operate only above water, using 3 different forms, the company says: floating on its hull, using a hydrofoil to get lifted above the waves, or flying low using what is called the wing-in-ground effect. So, how it works actually? After pushing back from the dock, the vessel will float on its hull in the water while operating in the no-wake zone. Shortly after, you will see changes start to happen. As it reaches 20 miles per hour, the craft will rise on its retractable hydrofoil, meaning it essentially gets some lift. Reaching speeds of between 20 and 40 miles per hour as it leaves the docking harbor, the vessel smoothly transitions onto its wings, retracts the foil, and accelerates to a comfortable 180 mile per hour cruise speed. Unlike a seaplane, though, you won't see the glider lift into the air and operate like a traditional aircraft at this point. According to Regent, the vessels are wing-in-ground effect vehicles. This means its gliders will stay within a wingspan of the surface of the water, relying on aerodynamic properties that involve the vessel flying on a dynamic air cushion created by the pressurized air between the wings and the water. The machine will run entirely on electric power, so the company sees this as a major step towards sustainable transportation. Before building and testing the Monarch Seaglider, the company will build a smaller one called the Viceroy. The company claims that the Viceroy, a 12-passenger flagship Seaglider, will have a range of 160 nautical miles with current battery technology. In addition to getting their full-scale prototyping and sea trials off the ground or water by 2023, Regent will have to make sure their Seaglider can withstand the winds and famously large waves of the Hawaiian coast. Any Seaglider service between the Hawaiian Islands would be years away, since the vessels are targeted for completion in 2028. Still, this is a reminder of a couple of trends happening right now that are going to be fascinating to watch over the coming years. Airlines and other major companies in the travel sector are looking to both improve the sustainability of their operations and tap into what travelers are looking for. For all this, the futuristic electric Seagliders are the perfect solution. However, there are currently no plans to replace Hawaiian Airlines' existing 130 daily flight routes in Hawaii with Seagliders. But the electric-powered Seagliders are part of the airline's goal to implement more sustainable transportation methods within its service. Imagine being in Hawaii when these Seagliders start being used for inter-island transport. Would you use them for transport? Why? Share your answers and opinions about this topic with us. Leave us comments in the section below, and we will be happy to read them. At the very end of the video, make sure to press the bell to never miss more videos like this. Smash like and share the video. Hope you like this content and that we will be together soon again. Have a nice day.